see how bumpy it is in the video. Welcome back. Finally got to go out riding again. Haven't been able to much recently because of the weather and my schedule. But thankfully I got to go out today. It's not too cold. I think it's in the low 60s, so it's actually kind of nice. Next, what's today, Wednesday? Monday, it's supposed to be, it has a high of 36. So, riding season is definitely over soon, which isn't fun. But I'm going to try to get at least 2 videos in today. Hopefully some more at some point, but I don't know. We'll see as time goes on. Obviously, I'll have another video on the rebuild. Sorry, I just realized my visor's been cracked to keep it from fogging. I'll have another video on the rebuild. It has been 2 weeks since I ordered those very expensive fairing parts, and still haven't heard a word from them. So tomorrow I'll probably give them a call and say, hey, what's going on here? Because I know you said some of them would be on back order, but like, what about the ones that aren't? Why have I not gotten anything yet? It's kind of bugging me. So I'm still waiting on those. I'm not taking the ZX-10 out today, obviously, because if you saw the last rebuild video, I took the battery out of that and put it in the 1000. So there's currently no battery in my ZX-10 until I go buy another one. And since riding season's almost over, with my current financial spot, I'm just putting that off. Waiting a little bit. So we're back on the R6. Unfortunately in school traffic, but that's fine. I still have to go riding. Within like 2 days of getting my EMR certification, I had my first medical at work, and it was a person overdosing on drugs. So my very first one, I got called to go provide services without any indication as to what it was. And I showed up, went into the room that this person was in. They were laying on the floor, completely unconscious and unresponsive, and starting to turn blue in the face. So I was like, oh, this is lovely. Very first medical, and this is what I get called to. Awesome. So that was exciting. But we did get her back. We did save her, so there's a positive to it. A good ending, I guess I could say. Oh, I hope I don't miss this. I don't want to come in too hot because it's kind of a tight turn, but I also don't want to miss it. That's crazy, it's so yellow. I had a guy almost total my car, and several other people, on my way home from work one night because he doesn't know how to drive and look ahead of the road. And because I didn't slam on my brakes to let him over in time because he didn't notice his lane was closed up ahead, he decided to put me and several other people in danger by tailgating me. Like literally, I would say he was no more than 1.5 feet, 2 feet away from my rear bumper. At no more than that, because like how close he was. We got this douchebag, but yeah, I think he was in a construction vehicle because he flipped on flashing lights, but they're orange and white. So like obviously I'm not gonna move for that, and like I don't know what you were trying to do. Like if I was supposed to think you're a cop, pull over or whatever. But then he like drove essentially in a spot like this where it's like 2 different lanes splitting. Well, they were technically coming together, but he went in that lane, and it's not a lane, it's just a spot of pavement that you're not supposed to be on. He went between that to get between me and a car in the other lane, almost hit them. It was ridiculous, but it pissed me off. Anyways, the reason I brought that up was because it was another reminder to me of why I will probably never ride to work, unfortunately, because it is not worth dying on the way home. Don't get me wrong, I love riding. It's one of my favorite things. I love making YouTube videos with you guys, but I would much rather have a month or two of no videos than have never post a video again because I'm killed on the way home by somebody with road rage or someone that's just stupid and doesn't know how to drive, which is extremely common here. But like oh man, my heart was pounding. I was so angry. And then when I went to pass him, it was 3 lanes. I went to pass him because I guess he decided to quit putting everyone in danger. Right as I got like up to him, he decided to jerk his steering wheel towards me like he was gonna pit maneuver me or just smash into me. He just jerked it over real quick and then straightened back out, just as one last little, display of how small his wiener is. I was fuming. Luckily, nobody got hurt by that idiot, so at least not that night. I'm sure, I don't know if it's still that case, because I'm sure he drives around like that normally. Damn, I'm hungry. I haven't eaten today. Well, all I had was a bagel a couple hours ago. Really need to eat, and that smells so good. I wonder if that could be a video, going through the drive-thru on mine. R6. With nowhere to store anything. I think I might pull over at Dairy Queen in this video and start another one. Try to make 2 on the way home. Ooh, Chips Ahoy Frappe. Sounds kind of good. 20-piece nugget also sounds good right now. Oh man. 20-piece nugget and sweet tea. No. Opening my visor was a bad idea. All I could smell were McNuggets. Oh, I'm so hungry. I have been putting a lot of effort and stuff into eBay too. By that I mean listing extra parts I have on eBay to try to sell and get some money back. It's anything, let's say I bought a set of fairings for the ZX-10R, and then I have parts I don't use because I already had good ones, so I don't use it. I'll try to resell the extra parts, stuff like that. I've been putting a lot more effort into that, trying to get some things sold. Hasn't worked yet. I haven't sold anything in quite a while, but I'm trying to stay a little optimistic because I could really use that money right now. Probably use it to buy myself some McDonald's, but probably not. But I have been working on that a little bit more. It's just a lot harder to sell bike parts than I expected, at least so far. I made a couple sales on eBay before, so it's not like I'm an account with no history or anything like that. And I obviously buy a lot of stuff from eBay, so I'm not sure if it's just because it's a flooded market or there's just not much need for those parts. I'm not sure what it is, but I'm hoping that starts doing better. Why is that lady sitting in a green light? See, that's what I mean about this area. That light was green for a solid 15 seconds, and she just wasn't moving. Drives me nuts how bad people are here. As you can see, the of the leaves have fallen, I would say. At least half. Good bit of them. There's a lot of trees that are bare now, but you also saw a lot of trees that are full, like orange and yellow and stuff. So I don't know. Sorry. We still got fall colors, which is nice. Today's November 5th, I believe. Yeah, that's the kind of stuff I want to get in the videos this time of year. That way, those of you that don't have fall and leaf changes and stuff like that can experience it. That's the good stuff. It's actually pretty warm. I'm surprised. I thought it was going to be a little bit cooler than this, but it's nice. But nice Dairy Queen up ahead. So I'm going to pull over right quick and end this video. I'm going to make another one on the way home. And to be honest, to go home, I'm just gonna head right back the way I came, because I hate the roads down that way with a passion, especially around school traffic. It's where I almost got hit on the Ninja 400. Don't worry, guys, I'm not freaking going way around you. Yeah, I almost got hit bringing home the Ninja 400. Jeez, I can't talk. That wasn't 400, it was a 500. Sorry, my brain's getting worse. Holiday nog. Right. I feel like that video was a lot of yapping and like randomness. Probably, I think. So I apologize for that. Brain's kind of all over the place right now. A lot going on, but I'm enjoying being out and riding. I was afraid I wasn't going to get to for the rest of the year, but here I am, so this is nice. Hope you guys enjoyed it as well, and I will hopefully see you in a video on the way home, because like that means enough happened to actually make it a video. But otherwise I will see you in the next one. Later.